for now, please.
Okay, right here. May I take your order now, sir?
I would like to order pasta, burger, and lemon juice.
May I repeat, sir? Pasta, burger, and lemon juice. Okay, right back, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you for dining with us, and I hope you enjoy your meal.